Hello guys, welcome back to Likeable. So now I'm sharing with you a fresher recruitment from FeeZub. Okay, so in this video I'm sharing with you its roles and responsibility, its eligibility criteria, educational qualification, and how to apply for this drive. Okay, so let's start. So see, I'm here currently on career page of FeeZub. Okay, and this link will be given in the video description from where you can apply easily, and I will also show how to apply for this drive. So first of all, let's scroll down. Okay, so first of all, we discuss about the roles and responsibility. So guys, here clear mention that you must interest in learning and using digital and traditional technology. Okay, and understanding of SDLC. So guys, यहाँ पे SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. It means whenever you develop any project or software, so you must follow the SDLC. Okay, so that's it. Apart from that, you have knowledge of Excel and PowerPoint, and in analytical skills, attention to detail, problem solving, and that's common for every drive. So let's move. Now educational qualification. So guys, this drive is basically for BTech, ME, MTech, and also included MCA and MSc who completed his degree in CS and IT. Means the person who completed MCA and MSc in CS IT, only they can apply for this drive. Okay, and also MBA who completed under IT. Okay, so that's the educational qualification for this drive. And now stream, as I told, it's for CS, IT, and also electronics. Okay, now passing year. So guys, as I told, it's a fresher hiring, so 2019 batch is also considered here, and apart from that 2020 and 21 batch is also considered because they are latest fresher. Okay, and no backlog, it's a mandatory. So 2019, 20 and 21 batch both are eligible for this drive. Now percentage, so you have must 60% in 12th, 10th, and also in graduation. Okay, certification, it's an optional, not compulsory. If you have Java.net or any testing certificate, then you have must some advantage among another participant. Okay, and here is the joining location, that is Pune, Noida, and Chennai. You can choose according to your choice. And type of employment here, permanent. Now I am telling about you hiring process. So here is 3 round. Okay, first online aptitude test, second technical interview, and third MR interview. And every process is completely virtual, no need to go anywhere. Okay, so now I am showing you how to apply. So after you when you scroll down the page, here you can see an orange button of apply now, then click it. It will take you on the login page. Okay, so here you can see sign in or login page. Okay, so for applying this type, you must have create account with FeeZub. Okay, so currently I have no account, so only I am sharing with you that if you are new and first time applying for FeeZub application, so you must create account. After getting credential, you can log in on this page and can easily apply for this type. Okay, that's it. And here any last date of this drive is not mentioned, so apply as soon as possible. And if you have any problem or doubt, you can comment and I will definitely reply. Okay, and you will get this application link in the video description. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel for getting latest update from any off campus drive all over India. Okay, Thank you so much for watching.